Hi folks, Adam Reed here with Twin Pine Ford in Ephrata, Pennsylvania. Today we're going to be taking a look at the requirements for operating your vehicle with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. So the first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need the corresponding USB cable for your Apple product or Android phone. So I am using an Android product right now, so I'm going to be using this USB Type-C connector. So all you're going to do is plug that into your phone here. And then what's going to happen is it's going to switch over. Looks like I'm using the Maps feature right now. Now my keypad is going to be disabled on my phone, so everything that I'm going to be doing is going to be right here on here. So let's say I'm away somewhere and I wanted to go home. I'm going to use my recent here. Unless I wanted to say, type something in, brings up a keypad here, and I can put in a different address if I like. All right, I hope everybody has a great day today. This has been another amazing video from Adam Reed at Twin Pine Ford.
PA's #1 Ford store, Twin Pine Ford.